Body repair. Body repair is a business or job of repairing a car body that was originally damaged for the better and back to normal. Body repair in the current era is very useful and profitable because cars and motorbikes now use a lot of electrical system. Therefore, motorbike and car engine repair works will become it is really used and the number of increase in vehicles in now increase so that it opens up opportunities for high profit in body repair service. Carry out the process of identifying damaged car panels. Then do the cleaning to remove the paint and putty in the area to be repaired by grinding it vinyl until the paint and putty disperse. Repair the damaged area to return to its original shape. If you have done the sanding stack in the repair area after that, putty it until it is even with the other surface. Wait until the putty dries, then sand it until it is complete smooth and even. Then epoxy so that when paint it looks good. After epoxy until it dries, then do the sanding process again. After that, enter the paint and clear process tag.